Hi guys, right now I will show you how to connect your phone with your Hyundai Venue using the Bluetooth. First of all, go to setup. Here you will see device connections. Press that. Bluetooth connections. And you need to add the new phone. It will ask you about the preferences. We'll do both.
Turn Bluetooth on from your device in order to search. On your device, select the name that matches vehicle name on the screen.
We have to go to the settings in your phone now. You have to go to Bluetooth. So in this case it's connected devices, and Bluetooth is right here. And as the lady just said, you have to look for vehicle name, which is gonna be Venue in this case. Press that and it will start to pair. So you'll see pair in the phone, and you will see the message on the main screen as well. Press pair, and it is currently connecting. This device supports Android Auto. Yes, we would like to use that as well. And it's actually going to connect Android Auto now. And as you can see, we have wireless Android Auto on our device. If you press this button here, this actually takes you to all different applications that you can use from your phone. If you want to go back to the main display, you can just press radio, and it takes you to the radio settings, and you can press home button from here. So again, you have Android Auto option. This is how you can get back to that menu. You can get to the map again from here, which is connected to your phone right now. This is Google Maps. Again, I'm going to go back to the radio station, back to the menu, and also you can use the media button, the physical button here, to get back to the Android Auto. This is again back to the all the applications. I'll press radio again, and you can actually set up this button here. You can actually choose. This is a custom button, and you have a few options that you can assign to this button. You can set it up as a home, display on and off, phone projection, phone, Bluetooth audio. You can choose one of these options, and right now I'm actually gonna go with home. So just select that, go back, and now whenever you are in your Android Auto mode, you can simply press this button, and takes you directly to the home screen. And now, since our phone is connected to the system, if you press the phone button here, it will show you all your contacts. You can dial them, and you can access the media on your phone again. Yeah, we can go back to the home screen this way. That's it for our demonstration of how to connect the phone using the Bluetooth, and how to activate Android Auto in Hyundai Venue. Thank you guys for watching. We'll try to make a more in-depth review of this system, and we'll see you in the next video.